Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine on Realme C17 into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using this search engine. And now you can click here, you can go to settings and click on search engine, and here it recently visited, you should have yep.com option, so you can select that and then click back, and as you can see my search engine is set to yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.